Hi guys, so those that are new around here, my name is John and I own iLoveThreeDPrinting.com, and also I run a large 3D printing community over on Facebook. I'm going to start trying to create these videos a little bit more. In the past I have just sort of gravitated towards the tutorial type videos, but I thought no, I want to start doing these more, how can I put it, vlog style videos where I show the systems, the business, how things fail, how things work, and all the different things in between. So yeah, today is the beginning of that. I hope everyone is well. I've just come down today and I had an order, and yeah, as you can see, it's not going too great. So I've got one of these cup holders going off at the moment, and I'm using some PETG. Unfortunately, we're not getting good results. So I'll wait till this is finished. It's got about 20 minutes left, and then I'm going to stick the PETG in the dryer. I did get a dryer from iBoss, but to be honest, I haven't used it that much. This is it here. It needs plugging in, and that's how much it's being used. Also, we've got our CC1 here that's actually in destroyed status at the moment. I need a new hot end for that, and then we have the canvas ready to put on, so that will be a video coming up very soon. As you can see, the printers are all pretty quiet at the moment. We haven't got much going on, but that's going to change because as of today I'm going to try and make it my duty to get things moving, at least printing something every day, adding to the shop, and hopefully generating some business. So yeah, let's crack on for the day. So as you can see, we've got a bit of a mess in here, so one of the jobs for today is to try and get myself sorted with this absolute disgrace of a mess. What are you guys doing with your little bits of reel that are left over? You know, those bits that are too good to throw away but not enough to print anything out of? So there we go, give it a bit of a tidy up, slightly better, looks a little bit more presentable. Didn't take too long. What do you guys do with all your filament? Because yeah, it's a bit of a conundrum I've got at the moment. Do you keep it in the boxes still when you're not using it? Yeah, how do you keep your filament dry? Because obviously, like I've showed you, this is what's happening. Here it is, it's ready, it's finished, 13.5 hour print. Look at the clip of that. Look at the state of that. It's no good. Wow. Yep, that's no good at all. Hopefully I'll be able to salvage it. Looks a lot better. Just needs a bit of a wipe down now. But yeah, a lot better now. Bit of a wipe down, that should be good for the customer. Look at the state of that. That's all that came out of there. But yeah, let's get this cleaned up and put in a box ready for the customer, and then let's get the filament in the dryer. So we've got the PETG in now. Let's get this thing turned on. Changed over to PETG. And there we go. Let's get this cracking. 2 hours. in there. Hopefully when it comes out we'll get some better results. Okay, so that's the order done. It's going to America. £15.75 postage. That's unbelievable. £15.75 for a little package like that, plus £9.33 Etsy fees. Absolutely disgusting. I don't know how a small business is supposed to survive, to be honest with you. But we do carry on, and that's what I'm preparing to do now. Look for some more listings, get them up there, hopefully make some more sales, and let's make this into a bit more of a viable business together. If you have enjoyed the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up. Obviously, if you want me to go through anything, talk about anything related to 3D printing, post in the comment section and I will get back to each and every one of you. But yeah, day one of trying to do this vlog style business. Let me know what you think, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.